Hello there. Today I've got this Bosch jog-proof portable CD player on the bench. It's another Argos return. On the label there it says it won't play. Purchased on the 26th of the 8th 2020. Unfortunately I can't read the return date because it's smeared, smudged. So let's have a look what she does. I've got the user guide. Some earphones. And then of course we've got the unit itself. Well, it's actually in very nice condition. Let's stick some batteries. Oh, there is some batteries in it. Oh, okay. I don't know if you can see that, but the display is flashing. Let's put a disc in. Oh, and also the transportation protector, whatever you call it, is still in place. Now, believe it or not, we have had these in the past where people have tried to play a disc with that still in place. Yes. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Laser looks nice and clean. Okay, that's our disc in. Right, can we see that display? No, it isn't seeing the disc at all. In fact, is it spinning it up? If we move it to that position there, close it. No, it's not turning the disc. It's not seeing it. Right, okay. Right, let's open her up and see what's inside. Well, let's get these batteries out. Right, what screws have we got? We got one here. One there. One there. Right. Let's take these out first. Okay. Right, that's it. Okay, so let's have a look. Just pop this up a second. Make sure the connections are in. Yeah. Stick that back down a minute. Right. Let's just see if the sled is free to move. Yeah. Okay. There's a little spiraled shaft, like a worm drive just under here, that this laser block engages with, and there's a little motor that moves it up and down. You can move it up and down quite easily. It's just the little like spring that engages onto the worm will just jump over, so you won't damage it. But what I like to do is put the block out and then stick some power to it, and over here you'll see there's a little micro switch which detects when the lid's shut, and if we close that it should return to the center position. So let's just see what happens. Is it switched on? Just a minute. Right, it says open on the display, so we'll press the switch. No, it isn't giving it any power to drive back to the starting position in order to read a disc. So let's have a look at this connection. Oh, that just moved. Slide that back. All it appears is something wrong here where this plug goes in. Now, could it be the plug? Let's just zoom down a little bit on that. Yeah, this is a connection that connects the servo to the board, and well, it seems that if I move that plug, I'll close the lid with my finger first. Where's that disc? Oh, I can't do it with like that because I'll just move it back out. Oh, switch it on first. Oh, it's working all the time. Just stick that on and close that. Yeah. Right, so we'll pop this board out and see what's going on underneath. I suspect there might be some dry joints on that. There's a little clip here. Right. Yeah, it's here. There we go. See what I mean about this ribbon? Now that we've got it up, I'm going to pull it out, unplug that. Does it unplug? Yeah. Right, that's the laser unit detached now. So you've got to be careful with this ribbon. If you rip that, it's game over. And this is what I'm saying about the worm drive. It's got little serrations on it. Well, it's a thread. And just here, there's a sprung arm that engages into it. So it's quite okay to slide it up and down. It's just jumping over the top. Right, put that one to one side. Right, let's have a look what's going on with this. Now, where's that plug? Right, that plug's here. Where is it? There. turn it into the light while I get my magnifier and have a look at the joints. They don't look too bad, they don't, but what I think I'll do is desolder them and resolder them. Let's get some solder on them now. Now these two here on the end were together. Right, that looks okay. Let's give that a clean up now with a bit of alcohol. Yeah, okay. Right, so I've resoldered all the pins on that plug, and we'll just see now if it'll activate every time. So let's just switch that on and let it come up and just give it a bit of a yeah, it's working every time now. Let's pop the disc on and see if it yeah, it's playing. Well, it appears to have cured it. Quite straightforward, just a bit of a pain in the backside getting at it to do it. Right, let's put it all back together and I'll see if there's any sound coming out of it. Right, well, before we go putting the screws in, let's stick the batteries in and make sure that it is working. Disc. Yeah, that's gone straight into play mode. Where are those headphones? What's that funnel? Yeah. Yeah. That's working fine. Now this is supposed to be jog proof. I can hear it. I can hear the laser hunting if you tap it, so it's about as jog proof as a cup of water really. Okay, it works. Let's put the screws in it. All the screws that we took out were the same length, so it doesn't matter where they go back. That'll do. Tracks, straight into track 1. What does it search like? Alright, no problem with that. That appears to have cured it. Well, I hope that's been of some use to you. Many thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next one.